Hello and welcome to Billy's World of Crazy. I got called out by a customer of mine because they had a smell in the basement of sewage. So I came down and investigated, and this was not trapped. Obviously you can see this is new. I've just fitted this because that is where the smell was coming from, and that's all it takes. Because if you follow this pipe down, you will see it connects into this, and this is the pipe that runs to the toilet. So that is why they had a smell of sewage. So for the sake of a few bucks just to trap this, it was causing a big smell. And you can buy these. This is just 1.5 inches straight off the shelf. Obviously it's for the washing machine. I have it running at the moment just to make sure there's no leaks, and my job here is done and complete. So if you have a smell in your basement, you know why. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, there's a whole heap of others on my channel, so like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.